Hey, Jesse with Revved Up SEO here. Hope your day's going good. You spoke with my business partner Angel the other day about a video we'd shoot you to kind of give you some tips on some stuff you can start doing today that would in turn help you with your rankings on Google. So with that being said, let's dig right into it. So I have your website pulled up right here and going through it, it's honestly not that bad. You have quite a bit of content on there. I plugged it into a little word counter that I use. You're sitting at about 1124 keywords. I mean, not keywords, but words in general. That's honestly not bad. We like to see at least a minimum of 1500 for a good solid foundation, but I'll show you your competition here in a minute, and you're actually doing pretty good with them. As far as your content goes, you're highlighting some keywords that you want to be found for, and that's good. So, like I said, honestly, your layout's good. You got some good content on there, but you just need a little help on the back end. So with that being said, I'm gonna show you a tool that I use. It's called Ahrefs, and what it does is it lets me see how your website's doing on the back end. So as you can tell, we got some words right here. I'll explain to you what they mean. So we have backlinks, and this is going to be what we like to call link juice or power. It's how your website gets power aside from its content. A backlink is just any link on a website that points to yours. They're not all created equal, however. There's some that are do follow, no follow, and then there's some that are just straight spam. And I'll show you a couple of those right now. So we have the do follow right here, which is 12. This is what's actually giving your site some power. We have the no follow, which is a link on another website that is pointing to yours, but Google's not recognizing it as power because that website chose to not give you power from it. So that's not bad, but you definitely want more do follow than no follow. And as long as they're not from like foreign websites or casino, things like that, you'll be doing all right. So what I did is I went in here to your keywords. These are what you're being found for currently. And all I did was find one that was Masonry, Miami. I did a search for that on Google, and this is what I found. So obviously, I'm sure you're aware, these are your ads. You pay to get seen there. Um, if you want to do that, you can, but there's a right way and wrong way to do that. We can discuss that later if need be. So we have another thing called the Google Map Pack. They're actually going to start calling it something different now, but for demonstration purposes, we're just going to go through this real quick. So your Google Map app is just a ping on the map where your business is and just helps people get to your business quicker. The way you come in here and start ranking in these top 3 spots is with reviews and citations. Reviews obviously is just anytime somebody comes on here and says, yeah, they do good work. If a citation is just anytime your business name is listed with its address and phone number. So the more citations you have, the better. So I have another tool that if you need to, we can go in there and we can look at how many your competition has, and then we can start putting you in more spots and help you rank in here. But all I did was I came down, I came to the first 2 businesses that I seen that were ranking in the top spots. Yep, it's just a directory. I'm sure you know that. But Google's going to favor a local business over a directory like this. So outranking a Yelp business would be kind of easy. But these are the guys that we want to be worried about. So as you can tell, I went to their website as well. Honestly, you have way more content than them. I think these guys were sitting at about 700, and you're doing better on the content side of things. And Google really likes content, so you're doing pretty good there. What they are doing pretty good in is this right here. Their backlinks. So like I said, backlinks is juice and it's power. The more backlinks you have, the better. This is why they're outranking you, and this is why they're ranking so high on the searches for Miami Masonry. I came in here to the second guy, and again, as you can tell, not a whole lot of content. You're smoking these guys in content. Let's go to the tool that I have. This is where they're killing it, 150K backlinks. Now, With this many backlinks, there's a good chance that there's some spammy ones in here. This is why they're probably getting outbeat by this guy who has less. So like I said, not all backlinks are created equal. And as you can tell, with 149,000 do follow links, they're ranking in the second spot instead of the first spot. Spam kills you. But with that being said, I'll go ahead and end the video. You can take the information that I shared with you in this video and run with it. No harm, no foul. It's a free video for you. I just wanted to give you some information. However, if you need some help and you want to talk about how we can start improving your rankings detailed, and go ahead and give me an email back, call back, and we can discuss that. Well, I hope you have a good day. Appreciate your time. See you in a little bit.